Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a free guest post backlink. So the website name is bipital.com, and also another thing, this site will provide you a do follow backlink. So this is a very great thing. So you can publish your guest post in your article on this website, and you see this site will support a multiple category like businesses, crypto, entertainment, fashion, finance, health, press release, many things this website will accepting. And you see this, these are the page views. So for this article, page views is 70, 44, 28, 78, 16, 6. So you can see how many visitors are visiting on any articles, and accordingly you can create a powerful with interesting featured image. You can publish your article on this website, and you can chances you can get interaction, the traffic from this website. Okay, so before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 9, and the according to DAPA checker, this website domain authority is 54 and the spam score is 1%. And if you can check this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 39.9k monthly visits, and you see how rapidly this website traffic are growing. And you can see mostly traffic from India and Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and the sign up button. First, you can create your account on this website. So there you can put your username, your email address, then you can choose your password, and you can reconfirm your password here, and you can accept the terms and condition. Then after click on the register button, and you see our account is created. Now the time is to we can update our profile details. So first you need to upload your profile picture, and there you can put your company description. So if you created a company profile, then you can put a company description. If you created a person profile, so you can put a person description. Then after click on the save changes. If you wanting to display your email, so you can check this yes, either no. Then after click on the save changes. Once you guys will complete these things, then after you can go to the social accounts section, and you see there you can put your all social media URLs. Then after click on the save changes, and your profile is perfectly updated, and you see there is a add post button. You can click on this, and you can directly navigate to the this website backend. And then after you can see there is the title option, so you can click on this, and I have already generated content for this, so let me publish here. So this is the title of my article, and there you can put a short description. Here you can put some keywords, then tags. Click enter to activate your tags. So there you can put some tags and the keywords around your article. Then after you see this is the your final dashboard. So where you can paste your content. So I already optimized my content like hyperlinking and optimizing the headings. So this helped me to I can easily copy and the paste my article on any website. So that would be save my time and the formatting. So you can see my article is automatically formatted according to the headings and the hyperlink. If you guys don't know how to hyperlink any keyword, so simply you can select your keyword like hiring process. So suppose this is my keyword, and then after you can copy your website URL. Click on this, select your keyword, then click on this hyperlink button, paste your website URL, click on the save, and you see your content, your keyword is hyperlinked. Once you guys will optimize these section like heading and the hyperlinking. Now next you can upload a featured image. So let me check if I have, might be not. So then we need to upload a featured image. So and after you can select image, then you can click on the select image, and you see your image inserted. And if you don't have image, so you can also option to you can insert image by URL. So you can copy the image URL and you can paste here. Okay? And you see then after you can select your category. Category should be technology for me. So what the article I'm publishing. Then after you can click on the add post button and you see the post is successfully added. Once you guys will complete these things and your article are published, then after you can see there is a post section. Click on the all post and you see this is the article. Click on this article title and you can see our article is successfully published on this platform. This is your guest post a landing page URL and this is the article. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved a backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. So there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality, a powerful, a free do follow guest post backlink on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And this is the process to how you can create your profile and the guest post in this website.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
So definitely you can consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will motivate me to create a rapid videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.